Sceptre monitors provide two main methods for adjusting volume. Let's start with the most direct approach, using physical hardware controls. Physical volume buttons are typically located on the monitor's bezel, usually on the right side. These buttons are marked with plus and minus symbols for easy identification. Pressing these buttons provides immediate volume adjustment without needing to navigate through any menus. This is the fastest way to change your monitor's audio level. When you press the volume buttons, an on-screen volume bar appears for a few seconds, providing visual feedback of the current audio level. The volume bar automatically disappears after a few seconds. Now let's explore the second method using the on-screen display menu for more precise control. To access the OSD menu, press the menu button on your monitor. Navigate to the audio or sound section using the directional buttons. In the audio section, you'll find the volume option. Select it to access the volume slider control. The volume slider typically ranges from 0 to 100. Use the navigation buttons to adjust the volume to your desired level, then exit the menu to confirm your changes. Both hardware buttons and OSD menu methods give you complete control over your Sceptre monitor's audio output, allowing you to choose the approach that best fits your workflow. Beyond basic volume control, Sceptre monitors offer advanced audio settings that can significantly enhance your listening experience. Most Sceptre monitors include audio presets optimized for different scenarios. These presets automatically adjust multiple audio parameters to enhance your experience. Some models also provide manual bass and treble controls, allowing you to fine-tune the audio output to your personal preferences. If you encounter issues with audio control, the first step is ensuring your monitor's firmware is up to date. Sceptre regularly releases updates to improve functionality. Next, check your system-level volume settings in Windows. Navigate to the sound settings and control panel to ensure proper configuration. Also verify your graphics driver's audio controls. NVIDIA and AMD drivers include audio components that may affect monitor audio output. Finally, remember that Sceptre has been continuously improving their OSD navigation systems. Newer models feature faster response times and more intuitive menu layouts for easier audio control.